Um, anyways, yeah, I'll be watching AMD and Intel. Other than that, guys, all you have to do is just wait. It's just wait. If anybody took some, tough beats yesterday, don't worry about it. Don't be thinking about it too much. Today is a completely brand new day. I knew it was saying the straddle is 33. I was expecting it to be a lot higher than that. Good morning, everybody. We're live to the public here on several channels today. We got the Nour channel, and then we have good morning. AMD Intel, the names to watch here on the open. And then just wait around for news, man. News will come out at any second. Yesterday's news took us out 100 handles, and we ate it all back. We ate it all back like it was nothing. 100 handles. Oh, right here. Yeah. Newbie to the 0DTE room. Can you repeat the link to the website for me to do my homework? Oh, just /0 button. Everybody else, we got about 10 minutes to the open. Again, juicy names here are going to be the Intel and the and then again, remember we have a confirm. Actually, Joe, can we get the straddle when you get a chance? And then if you're seeing anybody on the books sitting around, then great. Yeah, straddle 33. Okay. Do have that. I can't believe AMD hit fucking 346. That shit is great. Okay, so this is gonna be super active here. 40-point fucking gap up, man. Forget about it. So, and then 24% up on Intel. What a move. I didn't read the earnings, but obviously these things must have been insane. I saw that they still lost $4 billion. But 24% Intel? Yeah. I wonder what the lotto tickets were going for. Far out the wings. I'm sure somebody's gonna get paid huge. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Oh man, so those are gonna open up. This guy's gonna kill it. Oh,
What it do? Right? That's like your only choice here. No, honestly, might be mine too. Only,
by the way, everybody who got so biased yesterday on the downside, imagine how these folks feel. You can imagine there's a bunch of people stuck short this. Yeah, I see what's in these pounds. Bruce, remember, I don't, we don't hope, man. We don't do that. No idea.
wait, what do you look at?
As far as AMD is concerned, hold up,
Look what it just did. That's great.
pull up both sides, whatever happens. Oh wow, I just looked at this Qualcomm. Holy shit.
Start off with loose. Sonoma Pharmaceuticals has announced the price.
It's like,
What? Sorry.
right.
No, no. Okay. Wait, so Frankie, you're not playing MU at all? Oh, I thought you said something about, okay, maybe an early entry? Oh, that's what you were saying. Got it. Right. Yes. These are still going to be expensive, though.
Let's see how the pricing on the AMD options
Yo,
open up.
keep in mind, guys, these contracts on MU, these 500s, they close at $2. They're gonna open somewhere damn near 6, 7, 6. Well, with time decay, maybe I don't know, but definitely around that 6, 7. Just kind of crazy. And here we go, guys. Look at the 500 calls. Ready? I'm gonna try it here, guys. Ooh, contract's doing some numbers. Oh my god, there we go. There we go, guys.
Micron just fucking went
Nice, guys.
nuts here.
Nice, guys. Frankie, good shit, man. Good shit. That's how you start off a Friday. Beautiful.
Now remember, spine's still in that same range that we've been in for the last.
I'm about to sell right here, guys. Take a look.
Try to break it.
Oh, there it goes. Boom. Sold half. $9 a contract, baby. $9 a contract. About to sell the rest here. I really don't want to be into that long on a Friday. Let's get this money. Oh my days. $1,000 a contract. Okay. Okay then. Okay, I'm all out. Thank you so much. Guys, let's get some W's in the chat to start off this freaking morning. W's in the chat.
Just hit.
We just caught a nice move right there. Caught MU off the open from $4.99 all the way up to $504.50. W's in the chat, baby. So we break the check.
We'll see those.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, somebody bought 3 million. Somebody bought 3 million of the calls for May right off the open.
What, from MU?
Yeah.
Lucci just told me that someone bought 3 million of calls for MU right off the open. $3 million worth of calls. All right, guys, I'm switching over my contract to 510 calls, guys. This will be the last trade. Fuck, I missed that.
This thing is gone, man. Fucking 505. Holy shit.
I missed it. It's okay.
Some decay moves.
Sorry, guys. Sorry. I tried. I think I switched over too late. Sorry. Yeah. I'm gonna play it though. Get ready, guys. I'm looking at the 510 calls. Let it chill for a second. Let it pull back. Let it die. Yo, Nvidia just did some bullshit. I'm looking to my right. Yeah. Should we switch over, Frank? Okay.
Yeah, Nvidia nice to a 2.5. This one hasn't started yet, in my opinion. So I'll keep trying. Do a 2.5 somewhere over. It's a nice move. Some options, man. Oh. AMD spike. Oh. Ridiculous spike on that AMD there. Yeah, this thing's I'm sitting here watching video. Intel 84.5.
Good. Yo, guys, I'm switching over to Nvidia 200 calls. I'm getting ready to enter here soon.
Yeah, I bought some Nvidia.
I'm in. My bill's 320 a contract, guys, for the 200 calls. Here we go. 203 just broke. We're at 350 a contract, guys. Let's finish this fucking week strong. It's fairly simple.
Shit.
There it goes. 360 a contract.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Yo,
go.
I'm getting out way before that. Guys, getting ready to sell half here just so to make sure that there's no fuck shit that happens today. I'm looking for 20 on the ask here, guys. 20 on the ask, and I'll sell half. Should get around 360 a contract when I go sell. There goes. There goes. Big wall here. Boom. Broke. 360 right there. I sold half. I got only half left here, guys. I'm going to sell the rest as we push higher on the momentum. But it's Friday, so walk the fuck away here.
Yeah, hold
You said
this
what,
video.
Benji?
This tape might be a little bit different. Remember, the highs update from yesterday is
Yeah, no
203.5 on the Nvidia.
Okay, guys. Here we go. Pull back on Nvidia. Where's the market? Pulling back here.
I'm gonna risk an ad. No, something don't look different.
Because I got out of Nvidia. So sold half at 360 or 355, and then here's the rest I sold for a loss. So pretty much breaking on the trade for me personally.
That was a
Ooh, look at the
bit of
Nvidia.
shit on there.
All right, anything we're missing?
Of course. Yeah, as far as the indexes are concerned, if you look at regular ADDs, we're down minus 600 now. ADD
How we looking this morning, guys? Chat. How we looking?
Look at the VIX, it's just kind of dead. Just gave that up. SPY retraced the pre-market move from 7 a.m. And we are still up about 13 handles today. And remember, yesterday's lows was all the way fucked down at 7. Dump the Intel.
Yeah, I think we crushed it, man. Oh, wait, did we sell it? Oh, no, we did sell at peak, and then Frankie took the 505, which I missed. Okay. I was about to say. Okay, what do we like? What do we like?
Watching the indexes here, guys. Be patient. Wait.
You know,
Always
how many
emotion.
people have missed out on some shit so that today could be a really bad day for a lot of people. Keep
Yes.
that in mind. Be smart. People are going to try to hold because they want that big move. They're like, yo, AMD's up after hours, $33. I want to catch a big move. You better sit your ass back.
7150s are going for $6. 7100 $8. Puts are
Yo,
terribly-
Tesla just bought. Tesla. Yo, Tesla. Lucci.
Wow. Let's move on Tesla here.
Well, I'm just yelling out what I see, brother. Guys, I'm looking at 385 calls on Tesla. What was it?
And they got it down. It's dangerous, man. They really got to play the momentum. Intel back to highs of day almost. Yeah, we also running 2, and look at this Nvidia.
I got an alert. Nvidia. Nvidia.
Back in.
Just got an alert. All right, guys, getting ready for Tesla. I'm going to play this here. I'm looking at 385 calls.
Yeah. Anything, I got buying it too.
Guys, I'm switching over to 382.50 calls on Tesla. I want to play those because those will go in the money while I'm in that trade. So switched over to 382.50 calls on that. All right, maybe we won't get that trade, which is even better. Hmm.
Man, AMD is moving 7 points clips. Crazy for a Friday, and you can get size on
And
this
back
thing.
above 502, almost there.
Almost pre-market highs, AMD. Wow, they're so expensive.
Okay, Tesla pulled
After
back.
money's at $5, and it's fucking Friday. Whoa.
Oh, it just went. And it. That's crazy. Yo, Kevin, did you get your money back?
Anywhere.
Yo,
$7 here.
why? Oh, now, I don't know about you guys. I got re. That's fucking crazy. Yeah.
Has nothing to do yet on the indexes. Wait, be patient. Monitor the internals. They're continuing to come off, by the way. But again, yesterday we had shitty internals, and the market still went higher. So I don't think any shit. SMDK here up about 40 now. Still big on this stuff. Micron went back almost to highs. Happy it didn't FOMO into Nvidia to highs. Thankfully, not FOMO. I wouldn't say they gave it up. Intel just kind of chilling. Right, earnings are made for the weeks. Okay. Banks here are kind of weak. They never bid back. Okay. Yesterday.
Guys, for me, I'm looking at Tesla. So you have two trades setting up. I'm looking at Tesla 382.50, and then Frankie's looking at Meta just had a full pick up.
Got absolutely nothing here. So they're waiting. Hold up some.
We get this Tesla trade. I think it's a pretty solid trade. It's both like in here, so it all depends on what it does. Of course, like right here, but as of right now, this ends up coming up, and that ends up happening. I think it'll be a really decent trade.
Ah, nice. Very nice.
Guys, Tesla's ready. I'm looking at 382.50 close. Bull flag just ended up breaking here. Now I'm ready to get in. I'm waiting for 381.43. And then I'm going to scalp this through the high, and that'll be the wrap for the day. But the contracts will pay, though. So if this does end up happening, doing that, and that's that. All right. Guys, entries 381.43 on Tesla, contracts 382.50. The calls. Tell you guys when I enter. I'm in. My fill is 264, guys. 264 on Tesla. $264 is my fill on Tesla. Target is high of day, which is 382. Just keep that. Here we go. Once you see 56 on the ass, 60 around that area, you're going to see a quick pop. Here we go. Boom. 54, 6. There it goes. It's popping right there. Contracts are 280. Entry was 264. We should get $3 on these when these pass. I'm going to sell everything together on the 382 break. All right. Here we go. 290. You're going to get over $3 a contract here, guys. $0.10 away. We're 10 cents away here, guys, from breakout. Make this easy, Tesla. All I need is one pop. Why make it easy? Guys, I'm getting ready to add to Tesla. And then I'm going to sell everything on the break. Remember, my average is 264 right now. But I'm in with like a Friday. I'm adding. I just added. Don't worry about adding. That's just me. And then I'm looking for a big break, and then I'm going to sell half and half, but pretty much at the same time. So it's really just selling all of it on the break of 382. Just keep that in mind. 10 cents away, 5 pips pro.
Heavy in this?
Boom. Boom. I just got filled for $3 right there. For half. I got another half going here, guys. Here we go. Getting ready for the rest. These are 315. Come on, come on, come on. A little bit more here, and I'm out. 40 on the ass. Squeeze that shit.
10%. That was when the stock was in
Yes,
the 30s.
I'm out. I got 320 on the fill for the Tesla trade, guys, for the sell. I needed that. We both catching shit. Yeah. Bumping. Yeah. So, guys, my fill on Tesla was 264. Last sell right now, it just happened at 320. As of right now, it's peak sell. So, fun little trade that I was waiting for. Beautiful, man. Honestly, the breakout on Tesla should have been way more, but my target was the same target regardless of what happened. So I'm happy about that. Whew. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Soda? Yeah. Baby. New highs on Tesla coming in, it looks like. No. I sold 3 for 320 a contract. the meta came to the opening candle, Frankie, and hadn't stopped since 662, 666. It's not even fair.
203. Third
Oh,
test.
there goes Tesla.
Third time's the charm. Yeah. I think he was trading MU and then he was trading Tesla.
Now let's do a Q&A, guys, and we'll get the fuck out of here. Yeah, I know, I saw.
Oh, faded that high. Hoping for higher. Did it. Wow, this Amazon at 260.
Here we go, 115. I think I'm all done. Right. Yeah, I had a really good day too. Yeah, he'll be on an episode.
Yeah, Intel, AMD, couple of puts here. TSM.
All right, you guys want to do a real Q&A, or do you guys want to go to fuck home? It's up to you guys. I'm saying, does someone, do they want to have a Q&A, or people want to go home? When's the new vlog? Well, we're sitting right by the fucking thing. So, he can tell you himself. Huh? Yeah, hell yeah. Traded? Yeah, but I'll be back at the screen. I'll be right back.
Vela, quiet, Lucci.
Yo.
Quiet, stand up.
Guys, you should be doing absolutely nothing here if you're waiting for index trades. Unless you're trading this range. Yep. Yep, afternoons have been fucking crazy. I bought super small and lower. Looking at this puts to the 7080. What's the sell? Maybe. We got the bigs popping a little bit. Okay. Qs are still moving lower. Okay, I had a little bit more. Got a little bit left. Yeah, AMD selling here too. All right. Well, I was breaking in there. Weeks here, Qs are weak. A lot of individual names are weak. I'm going to take this loss here. Small loss. I'm going to just take it. And I'm going to rework this. Because they... I think we're going anywhere. $7,100. You got a little put wall there. 7,100. Yep. There's move. Too much overhead. I would take this off here, guys. If you're in it. And your runners here. Look at that. Nvidia spiked back up a point. This tape is fast, though, when it does move. This tape is fast. Nice trade, guys. She got all the way back to 710. That was great. I messed it up. Oh, well. On to the next. here. It saved. That Tesla came all the way back, huh? 74. Internals here are still blah. They haven't really moved though. You got a Q wall, 657, 7100 SPS wall. I haven't done shit here. Oh, car went back to 280, huh? No, it didn't. No, it didn't. I'm looking at the wrong thing completely. I'm looking at an option. We're even lower that far. Sounds good. Text, that's what I do, man. I always buy first and then add. Joe is more discretionary when it comes to the first entry, but I always jump in first and then I'm adding. But I'm adding as it's going against me. A lot of you folks are adding when it looks better. It's a lot of the newer folks here. You need to train yourself how to do it the other way. Look at this. You get okay. I might get damn. Flip that short there. 7-10. Big K, I'm definitely slow today. They're dropping it. It's all just a play to scare them, you know? Get a nice fat spike up here. Wrap up. Be coming back here. Getting much range, so good. Oil did just dump. I'm in with a little bit. And again, I want to add higher. 710.5, I would take all fucking day. Somehow I have a feeling we're not going to get it. You're already up a couple of handles there. All right, I'm going to come out of, fuck it. Come out of this. Get 4 handles there. Wacky, I like the idea of selling panels. Gotta get a better price on it though. Notice, guys, your range is only 10 handles here, so can't expect that much. Yeah, I'm willing to reach short higher. Love to reach short. Remember, you got 660 on the Qs for Gex level, 7150, which is considerably higher. AMD. All right, come on, come on. There you go. There you go. All right, I'm gonna throw in a couple lots here. Let's forget 7140 puts. Oh, that was quick. I didn't even give time to get this shit. It's coming off. Come on, give me higher, man. You serious? I added a little bit up there. Still got room for another ad. Break even here. Intel is moving. 1,000. 660, we kind of hit on the Qs there. Kind of. Not really. All right, I'm going to take some off here. That was a nice one, and then I got some runners. Anything under 710, I get rid of the runners. I mean, it's just small money. It's small money. Oh, yeah? $1,000 SMDK. Ain't that some shit? $1,000. Wow. All right, out of the rest. Nice move. My cost was like 20. I covered 23 on these SPX options. It's not bad. I mean, shit, I'll take it for a day like today. Remember, it's only 10:15. Plenty of day left here. Hey, slow. Wait there again from the highs. For another reshort. Notice, guys, we haven't done anything. So you're, 10 handles down on the downside, 10 handles up. We're middle of the rift. Don't get comfortable with this. At some point, they'll stretch it outside of the range. Right now, it's premium. Those 7080, actually, no, those 7150 calls that I wanted to write, they're down to about $4 here from 5 and change. There's not enough speed here, though. So you're not getting that writing opportunity. I will say, though, that probably a decent time. But any news could come out at any second, so. 7127 is where we are. Straddle is it's coming in slowly though. Moments like these now where I'll just start selling both sides. Problem is, in this environment, news can come out in any second and your whole trade is fucking over. You need to recommend doing that. AMD is looking good. Nvidia here. Under 203 Nvidia. This thing wants to break, but anything. Intel here. It back a little bit. Some of these banks are weaker. I mean, you know, adding to the losses from yesterday. But again, no cohesive there. And of course, you got the SNDK, which hit $1,000. There you go. There we go. Something. Excited. All right, I'm gonna pull 720s. I already bought one lot here. We're gonna add lower. And I couldn't get a fucking ad. I mean, shit. We take it off here for some profits. Take it on. So these need one lot. All right, I pulled this off for a little bit of profit. Couple $100. Whatever. Not every day, especially mornings here, are going to be this sort of dry. Remember, we look for speed, we look for emotion. A lot of that obviously is based off of news, algorithms. You know, in this environment, just like yesterday, I don't know how many of you guys were watching yesterday, but we dropped 100 handles and then came all the way back. It's those periods of deep and crazy emotion where everybody's going nuts. Here at 0 day, we can take a lot of advantage of stuff like that. Okay. So that's it. That's really it. Again, single names, of course, we trade in here as well. 0 DTE expirations for many of the fat man names that we trade. Video obviously being one of them. That's the 0 day way. And if there's no trades, we fuck off and do nothing. I'm going to the beach, baby. Bueno. Wait an hour just a minute. Sold to 71.55. Called. Nice job, Cracky. What did those come down to? Oh, they're already trading $2, man. All right. Yeah, 4 and change down to 2.5. So you got your 50% there. You're gonna get it in this environment. You're just gonna get it over time because we're not fucking doing anything anyway. So even if we don't come off that much, you're just gonna get it in time anyway. Ah, I'm pretty close to selling both sides here. But there's a smarter way to do it. You know, if you're gonna sell both sides and go for zero, smarter way is to just wait until they float the premium higher either side and then wait. Or just keep writing it. So every time they float the premium up on one side, boom, you're there to write it. If you were to do that. Now remember, you're at risk at any moment of a fucking program that just destroys your spread. But if you have good risk management, boom, you cover the short side leg and then you spread. Should be. I'm like just waiting here till I can eat lunch. Yeah, Frankie, I love those. You know, but again, what's the risk? You know, what's the risk on the pros? You know? It's like it's always cleaner, guys, to just wait. It's always cleaner. I tell you that from a lot, an extensive amount of pain, suffering. Fix here at lows almost. Houston not doing anything. Eddie, we had any important news today, or will have? I don't think so. That shit comes out every single. Who knows? So far, the range has been shit. It's 10:30. Single names though, doing their thing. In reality, this AMD opened at what 338 and it's up about 5 points. Intel, on the other hand, they've been coming up. Hopefully we get some kind of a lean here. Does anybody know what the 7 o'clock program hire was for? Was it, or was that just, it just came out of nowhere? 7 o'clock in the morning. No, 7 o'clock in the morning was Michigan Center? Right, that just came out now. I'm talking about 4 a.m. Pacific your time. Yep. Pakistan and Iran foreign minister. Of course they say that. No, spike it. Spike it. Spike it. Yeah. That's what we want. All right, I sold some calls up there. Sold some calls up there. I also got short. I'm looking to add though. I want higher, which again, probably just not gonna get, but we'll see now. Oh no, this Nvidia is a 2 no. What's happening right now? Oh no. Guys, with this Nvidia doing it, remember, it's a large chunk of the S&P here. I didn't realize she just did it. If I can get a dip, I'll probably come back in here. This looks good now though, because remember, everybody's going to chase this now once you get that break. All right, so I'm gonna get back active on this thing. 202.5 of the calls. 204, or maybe just hit the 205. Shit. No pullback on this. There's a 250,000 options traded already, and it's fucking 1040. That's wild. That is wild. Yeah, I like the lotto on the 207.5. Remember, this just started, right? Everybody's going to chase this, and you haven't had all-time highs on this thing yet, you know? So she's the last one to do it. So we pulled out negative gamma on a video above 204.60. There you go. That's another one, too. All dips, guys. I'm going to try to buy some of this and get pretty aggressive size-wise. Anything under 205 here, I'll start jumping up. And then this time, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep eating. I'm just going to keep eating dips slowly. Yeah, I know. I'm short with you. I'm short calls and I'm short SPX, but I'm thinking about dumping my long puts and just doing short calls because I'm sure it's got flow. I haven't even looked, but I'm sure it's got flow. Yeah, so they're buying fall. Today, 210. Somebody just bought Monday, 210s. I don't hate that. That's if you want, that's if you don't want to deal with a lot of the, this thing is going. I only got fucking 40 so far. I want 500 of the, I want to run Cheryl 500. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, they just cleared through 206. There was tons of size there. At least 1 million shares. Guys, remember, if you're short this here, Nvidia is a large portion of the S&P. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. I got out of my long puts here for break even. I am still small short calls. 71.50s. My cost is fucking. Yeah, my cost is 4, so I'm currently down on these. I'm gonna bail some of this Nvidia here, and then just try to get back in on dips. I don't even think they're gonna give us dips here. There's everybody's chasing this now. They're even buying SMCI. June 245. Oh, yeah. Go, baby, go. You notice this tape now? It's just fucking fast. It's stepping up. It's fucking solid, dude. It is solid. I mean, I gutted half, and I'm holding half. And at this point, we're just going to roll it here, Ranchero style here, and just roll it to fucking 207. This thing is rocking. Just keep coming after it. All right, I got stopped out of my short call, and I have the long call running. Let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm going to cover another chunk of Nvidia here. Even though this tape is like fucking eating it. All right, any dips here? I'm gonna roll higher. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Give us fucking 206 or some shit. You know what I mean? I'm gonna start dip buying now though. Super small though. I want to stay small. Just I'm gonna roll it up and do the 207, do whatever the one that you had. I had the 205s this whole time. Got back in those short calls. Sweet. All right, that dip buy here is starting to pay. Watch out at the highs. Chances are they'll stop this out at the highs here, and you start to get a little bit of consolidation here.
Secretary of State, I think it's.
Fuck me, this thing printed new highs. I mean, I got back to 25 lot, and that was it. Is that what it is? 212? There's nothing else to buy. What else is there to do here? What else is there for people to do here besides obviously the S&DK and all this kind of other stuff? Nice, Blue. Nice job, Blue. That's your day. That's your day, basically, there, buddy. I would consider it. Guys, if anybody's in the roll up, shit. This thing could get going. But I wouldn't buy up here though. You don't want to buy up here. Uh, remember, this is starting. This is just starting. And there's nothing else to buy, and there's nothing else to look at. And let's not forget, Nvidia is a large portion of the S&P. That's also going to be a reason why markets hold here. If you look at SPY for the last 5 days, this is, the higher end of the range. Nvidia here, fresh highs. Let's go. Let's go. Kick it up. Give us 208. All right, 208. Here we go. All right, let's cover some on the roll. Let's cover some on the roll. I know it's out on the Qs. All right, I covered, and I got a runner. Again, we're looking for dips to buy. You are looking for dips to buy. I mean, you spend all those days consolidating. And you just run with that kind of tape. Guarantee follow through. All right, I'm gonna kick the runner here. I'll just kick the runner here and then hope and pray for a pullback. Another one. Yeah, I'm gonna roll again. Yeah, no, absolutely, absolutely. I just want. I want to fucking hold. Nice job on Nvidia here, guys. Who's in this? Who's in this? Who hit this? Let me see the W's here. Who's in this? Oh, he is sitting next to me, Bruce. Thank you for observing absolutely fucking everything, like my mother. Shut the fuck up. Anthony, nice work, nice work. Who else hit this?
Kilo of baby.
Nobody else, huh? I mean, here's the thing. As long as there's upward movement here, those options will pay. Okay, we got some other folks in it. PG, Tanner. Nice job, nice job, nice job. All right. Off this dip, I'll roll the 210s, and that's the last shot. Check this in video.
Oh wow. Wait, what
Yeah.
happened?
He finally just went.
No news?
No news.
Yo. That's not normal. Oh, and it was a consolidation break?
Yeah.
Those contracts paid.
They fucking paid. They fucking paid, bro.
Car dropped to 203 again.
Yeah, I haven't even looked at it.
Oh, it gapped. There you go.
Piece of shit. Anu's got some Q runners. Okay. All right. Off this dip. I'm gonna move to the 210s on Nvidia. I got it small. I want like a point pull. Give us like a point pullback or something. But we're rolling again, folks. Remember, this is the third time we're rolling here, so the expectations got to come down a little bit. But we're rolling with plenty of profits. Kraken sold the calls up here. I don't hate it, but remember, it's gonna be slow. It's gonna be slow, Kraken. You already know it's gonna be slow, but I like your price here. I like your price. Oil here with a bit of a pop. Mixes whatever. Where's that AMD? AMD almost back. Don't eat fucking lunch, man. Oh, it's Friday. Oh, yes, sir. Sometimes they'll bring it out. Sometimes they'll do it. Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, Benny here is selling the 7150 calls. Remember, bro. Watch your risk on it, and remember, it's a slower move now. Papu, yeah, it's a restaurant from Spain. Notice Nvidia tape. Fucking thing hasn't even pulled back yet. I'm in the 210s already, but I got no signs here. Bro, it's so one-sided, man. It is so one-sided. They just clear offers, bids stack up. It's speed of it is fast too. Blue added some 210 Mondays on that consolidation. I like those. I like those way better. That way you're rolling to some shit with some time and dance with it. Somebody bought some 207.5 puts action for today, 60K. Oh, good. Oh, oh. Yo, you're going to get out 30 cents, bro. get the hero dose. Israel's prime minister attacked us yesterday. We will attack them today. We have begun a process toward achieving a historic peace. That's at 11:06. Both of them came out. Oh, that's great, Blade. That's great, Blade. That's the whole news cycle for weeks now. AMD just hit highs. It's not that crazy. Not crazy at all. It's not that crazy at all. Yep. Right. At all time high. Yep. You want a freshie? I'm gonna hit the paella. The 12 o'clock. They got paella over there in the Spanish restaurant. No. It looks rough. Anybody who's short and calls here, remember, this is slow and chances are you're fucking too early. Going to be slower up on that Nvidia, but it's just going to slowly tick up, guys. We're looking pretty good on the 210s. Here goes your pullback. Nice pull. All right. Now I'm going to take these guys. Notice we haven't had speed on the indexes, so there's no 0-day signals. If you look at these internals, they're shit. But again, there's enough names that are bid, which is the AMD and Nvidia and all this stuff. So they'll keep this market afloat. Even though banks are pulling back, so a couple of the names here selling a bit. Crazy. So guys, from a speed perspective, you got nothing. So this is also a good place to, write some premium. However, on that note, either side is at risk for news and all this kind of stuff. Most of y'all sit on hands. The rest of you want to throw out some shit and risk it. Be my guest. I have a small run now on this Nvidia. I'll probably look to pick some up. I hope, we can get back down to like 207.5 or something like that, or maybe a pickup there. Great.
All right, chat. I love y'all. YouTube, I love y'all. I'm out of here. Peace.